everyone, welcome to Page Team J Arise. My name is Savdy and nice to see you again. And in this video, we will keep going on lesson 28 about Jesus teaching part 1. And in this video, we're going to learn 5 words together. So, are you ready? Let's get started. The first word is sleepy. Sleepy. Spell S-L-E-E-P-Y. Sleepy. For example, the soft background music made her feel sleepy. The soft background music made her feel sleepy. Second word is proud. Proud. Spell P-R-O-U-D. Proud. For example, your father would have been very proud of you. Your father would have been very proud of you. Proud. The third word is wise. Wise. Spell W-I-S-E. Wise. For example, it is wise to save money for a rainy day. It is wise to save money for a rainy day. Wise. The fourth word is loyal. Loyal. Spell L-O-Y-A-L. Loyal. For example, we all need to be loyal toward our responsibilities. We all need to be loyal toward our responsibility. Loyal. The last word is surprise. Surprise. Surprise spell S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E-D. Surprise. For example, I am very surprised to see you in this church. I am very surprised to see you in this church. Surprise. Okay, everyone. So this time, please repeat after me. So are you ready? The first word is sleepy. Sleepy. Proud. Proud. Wise. Wise. Loyal. Loyal. Surprise. Surprise. Okay, very good everyone. Thank you so much for spending time watching this video. Please try to remember and don't forget to make sentence or sentences by using the 5 words that we have learned. And if you do it right, we will give a thumb up. And it is not yet, we will have check. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye, God bless you.